Hello, I am Ahmad Khan from Division CS3. My roll number is 04. Welcome to quick guide to some essential Linux command. Whether it will help you whether you are beginner or you're just brushing up. So let's get started. Before we start, let's have some idea of Linux. What is Linux? Linux is a free and open source operating system which act as an interface between computer hardware and software. Some popular Linux distribution are Ubuntu, Fedora, and Debian. In today's video, we are going to learn the commands on Ubuntu because it is really easy to use. It has a great interface for the beginner. So let's get started. Our first command will be ls. ls in Linux stand for list. ls it will list all the file and subdirectory present in the Linux. ls so we have this the files and directory ab.sh, ums.txt, and all these Linux files are present. So here the next command is ls-l. It will show the detailed information of this file and directory, such as permission, number of link, ownership, file size, and modification time. So let's check enter. So here we can see ab.sh has its modification time is 48 minutes, and its size is 4096. It is not human readable. So to convert this in human readable, we use command ls-lh. So now we can here it is now human readable size like 4 kilobyte, and all this desktop has 4 kilobyte, music has 4 kilobyte data. So there is a command called clear. It will clear all the stuff on the screen. So it's clear now. So our next command is ls-a. It will list all the file and directory, including hidden directories. Hidden directories start with dot. So let's check it. So here hidden directory are .bsh, rc, .local, .profile are hidden directory. So our next command is pwd. Pwd in Linux stand for print the working directory. So pwd. So our current directory is Ahmadkhan. We are in now home page, so it's showing like that. So our next command is mkdir. Mkdir in Linux stand for make directories. So syntax is really simple. Just type mkdir, in front of that type the name of file you want to create. So it will create an empty file. So we will type laptop.txt. So laptop.txt file has been created. So let's check. It's here it's here laptop.txt. It's now given. And our next command is rmdir. Rmdir in Linux stand for remove directory. It will remove the directory. It will remove the empty directory. If there is some information in it, it will not work. So let's remove the directory which we have created just now. So it's laptop.txt. So laptop.txt directory has been removed. So let's check. So there is no laptop.txt file here. Our next command is cd. Cd stand for change directory. It is used to navigate between directories in Linux. So let's check. cd. Syntax is simple, just type cd, in front of that type the file or directory in which you have to enter or navigate. So we will enter in abhi.sh. so we are in now abhi.sh directory. If we have to come out of it, just type cd, nothing, don't type anything in front of that. So we are now in home page. So let's clear all this. So our next directory is cp. Cp command in Linux stand for copy. It is used to copy file and directory from one location to another. The first list. So syntax is simple, just type cp, in front of that type the first file from which you have to copy the data. So we will write abhi.txt, and in front of that type the second file in which we have to paste the data. So we will write linux.txt. So it will now copy the data from abhi.txt and paste the data in linux.txt. If there is nothing, if linux.txt doesn't exist, then it will create that file. That's the beauty of this command. So our next command will be mv. mv in Linux stand for move. It is used to move the data from one file to another. It is similar to cp, but in cp we copy the data from one file to another, but in move we move the data from one file to another. So if you have to its syntax is same as cp. Just write mv, in front of that write the file name of first txt, in front of that write the name of the second file in which we have to move the data. We will write linux.txt. so here the data from abhi.txt will move in linux.txt. So there is sorry, it is abhi.sh, not. So it will move from one to another. Our next command is touch. tuch. Touch in Linux stand for it is used to create create an empty directory. So syntax is simple, just type touch, and in front of that type the name of directory you want to make. We will type mouse.txt. so now mouse.txt has been made. So let's check ls. So here we can see that mouse.txt has been made. We can use this command to make many file as much as you can. Syntax is easy, just type touch, in front of that type the name of the first file you want to make. I will type stand.txt. I will type earphone.txt, and again we can write screen.txt. Now three files will be created. First will be stand.txt, second will be earphone.txt, and third is screen.txt. So let's check. So now let's check. Yeah, so first file, so here screen.txt has been created, and stand.txt is here, and earphone.txt here. So thank you for listening. If my command, it was my pleasure to teach you all. Thank you.